Honor and respect to you, family. We're here again on a beautiful day for another video. And today we will talk about a little mixture of everything that is happening in this world, of course, but especially politically in Haiti. So we are aware that the UN had approved for an international force to send an international force to Haiti for the so-called security of the people. You know what? It's so funny. It's so crazy how this matrix literally brainwashed the people, the world. I would say humanity, and people just like applaud, like like, oh, it's a good thing, and I'm like, it's crazy how people think it's a good thing, not knowing that, again, this matrix system is still pushing its agenda, doing their own thing. It has nothing to do with the well-being of Haiti or the people. It's just a business matter. It's all about going and take over another country resources, but they basically make it so so normal, so how would I say that, so so perfect, like the way they do it, like they give a meaning, they normalize like everything, and to people it makes sense. But what the gangs fail to understand, that's why the system matrix, they only use you to do dirty BS for them, and after that they get rid of you. You have no meaning to them. So the same matrix system that now saying that they are sending a security force in Haiti because of the gangs are the same people that actually create the gangs, who are behind the gangs in Haiti, because those gangs are there by their puppets. That's why they have their own puppets in government. Their own puppets, do has the plan until they get to get their agenda that they want. That's what people fail to understand. Now all of a sudden, they want to do that because of the canal that the people are building. Because where they are building the canal, Bill Clinton or Hillary is supposed to have like some kind of deal with DR when it comes to gold in Haiti. You see, so many things happening just because of that, and all of a sudden they need that. But I think what they fear the most is the unity of the people, because they know how dangerous it is for them when we are united. And I think that's what they fear the most, and it's all about business. And now that this, we are becoming one, and we are awakening now, and it's a problem for them, because they know what happened then and what can happen, what will happen. And it's the same thing, the ex-president died because of the same reason, like go into the matrix thinking like they could go into the system and change the system. No, you don't do that, because once you compromise with the system, they're gonna destroy you. So the best thing is to deal with the system, not to get in it, not to get recruited by them. So he came in power with a lot of beautiful intention, but with the wrong party, and of course thinking like he could walk away and things change around, flip things around. No, it doesn't work like that, and that's why he died. So all these things are things for people to understand and wake up. Yeah, some people thinking like, oh yeah, finally we're gonna be okay, we're gonna have security. There's nothing that is about the well-being of the country or Haitian. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. But it's pissing me off, because I don't know why people are so blinded with what's going on and still not get it. Open your eyes, people. Understand this matrix. You are being manipulated in every level. So this has nothing to do with some kind of like, good deed. Nothing. It's all about business, destruction, and that's it. It's just like another invasion. Wake up. I hope my people wake up. But like I said, the beautiful thing is we are in the time of Aquarius, and this matrix is going down. They are trying everything in their power, but nothing will work. Nothing will prevail, nothing whatsoever. So they could do whatever they want. What Mother Universe has to do, what Mother Kai has to do, will be done, because we are in a spiritual war, and the universe, it's at it. So whether they like it or not, they could try whatever they want. But like I said, history will not repeat itself again the same way. Fact. again, honor and respect. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. That's what you deserve.